Hey guys, here I'll show you how I make my own sticker kit for Hobonichi Weeks Planner. First, I started using Affinity to create a washi strip. To do this, I used a PNG image of a little paw and repeated it several times. I want to put the little paw over the entire strip, but I decided against it and used the paw prints to create a sort of trail. And the paw prints are pointing in different directions. Here I'm designing matching boxes with poodle motifs. I bought a Canva template from GrandPlansStudio's Etsy shop. The PDF includes a link that gives you access to the template. There are a lot of options for customizing the template icons, fonts and images. I choose this template because it gives me the correct dimensions and all I have to do is change the images and colors. Just upload the images and drag them into the boxes. I didn't want to use all the elements, so I choose just a few. Since I needed the correct height for the template, I created a new design. This will be important later for printing and cutting. Then I copied the elements from the template into my own template. On my iPad, I opened the Lien app and pasted in the template I had downloaded from Canva. It has to be exactly the right size, otherwise the measurements won't be correct. I then used the Lien PixCut S1 sticker printer to print and cut my sticker kit. Make sure to press create instead of just print. That was my fault. I used Lien's AI to cut out the background. As you can see, it cuts away a little too much around the paws. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit 100% perfectly either, so Sunday sticks out a bit at the bottom. Next time I double checked to see if I might have used the wrong measurements after all, because the boxes actually fit quite well. This method makes it possible to create sticker kits quickly and easy. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have made your own sticker kits too. See you next time. Bye!